We are going to enter into the side of Pura Educator, the way to the success. It is a site for those who are in need of education or to know the things which are unknown. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. New series will be on old NCERT geography. Class 6 Unit 1st, The Earth Our Planet, consists of 5 chapters. Unit 1st, The Earth Our Planet, consists of the following 5 chapters. Chapter 1st is The Earth in Our Solar System, which consists the 9 planets and the Sun. In this chapter we will discuss about the Earth and the Sun and Moon and other relating objects. Chapter 2, How Globes and Maps Help Us. In this chapter we will learn how globe is helpful to us and why maps are used instead of globes. In chapter 3rd we will discuss about imaginary lines, the latitudes and longitudes, why they are important and useful for us. Chapter 4 is the motions of the earth. Here we will discuss important motions of the earth, that is revolution and rotation. We will discuss what is rotation, why it is important, what are things are related to it, and what is revolution and what is related to it. In chapter 5, that is realms of the earth, here we will discuss all the 3 important realms of the earth, that is land, air and water, and other realms, that is 4th realms, that is biosphere. Today's video will be only the introductory to all these 5 chapters. So I will discuss unit 1st, The Earth Our Planet. It will be only introductory in nature. So let us start the unit 1st, The Earth Our Planet. In our childhood days, it was curious of each and every child why in the night time millions objects shine in the sky. Once or the other day we have asked from our parents that why these objects in the sky shines only in the night, why it does not shine in the morning. So we have got these answers, or may get from these chapter 6 NCERT, that these objects would be seen only in the night, because in the morning we can see the sun shining in the sky, due to which we can't see these objects in the morning. It is very interesting to know that the objects we see in the night, the earth is one of them, which features in the same way as these shining objects features. In the daytime we have seen sun, which is very huge and hot. You know that there are thousands and hundreds of suns in the sky. They do not appear so big because we are very far from us, but the sun looks very big and huge because it is nearer to us as compared to the other objects which are very far from us. Do you know the earth on which we live, it revolves around the sun. Sun does not revolve. Mostly we see that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So we think that sun revolves around us, but it is not true. The earth on which we live, it is our vehicle through which we ride around the sun. One rotation takes 24 hours, and if we revolve around the sun, it takes 365 days, which is 1 year. it will be very interesting to know how many rotations or revolutions have taken by the sun. The revolution is the age of your birth. The only satellite of the earth is the moon, which revolves around the earth in the same way as sun revolves around sun. We revolves on the earth. To know exact position of the place, we have to draw an imaginary line. The imaginary line drawn from North Pole to the South Pole in a vertical way, that are known as longitudes, and the imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally are known as latitudes. With the help of these two imaginary lines, we can place exact position of any place on this earth. The three realms of the earth: the land, the water, the air. In geography, if we study about land, that is lithosphere, we are discussing about lithosphere. And if we talk about water, that is hydrosphere. And if we talk about air, that is atmosphere. So if we study lithosphere, it will be relating to the land, and hydrosphere will be relating to the water, and atmosphere will be relating to the air. There is also the fourth realm of the earth, that place where the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere coincides, and this is the only place where all the living beings are present, that is biosphere. It is only the area where all the living things exist. That means, so friends, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. From the next video, I will be starting the first chapter of the old NCERT. So thank you. Meet you next time.